Our video for today will be as to how do we call the different colors in Danish. We call colors in Danish language farverne. Here are some of the colors. We can identify the color by its Danish name. Let us start right here. Sort, sort. Hvid, hvid. Grøn, grøn. This color is blå, blå. Violet, violet. Grå, grå. Rød, rød. Orange, orange. Gul, gul. Here on the screen is a rainbow. Do you know how we call the rainbow colors in Danish? Here are their Danish names. Regnbuefarve or rainbow colors. Rød, rød. Orange, orange. Gul, gul. Grøn, grøn. To kiss, to kiss. Indigo, indigo. Violet, violet. Let's try again. Rød, rød. Orange, orange. Gul, gul. Grøn, grøn. To kiss, to kiss. Indigo, indigo. Violet, violet. If you are enjoying this lesson, will you give this video a like, subscribe, and share as well? We will be delighted to know you're learning. Let us practice. Identify the correct color of the given object. Hvid, rød, gul. Sort, grøn, hvid. Blå, gul, grøn. Grøn, brun, violet. To kiss, blå, hvid. The correct answers are rød, rød. Hvid, hvid. Gul, gul. Grøn, grøn. Blå, blå. Did you get all the correct answers? Very good. Keep up the good work. I hope you have learned from this video, and remember to like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. Next time, we will continue learning more about Danish words often used. Thank you for watching as always, and continue your good day.